something a bit different today with this video. It's not our usual review or how to fit something. We wanted to explain to you about a new WhatsApp community we've set up. So this idea came about because in walking around our warehouse, we've realised there's lots of corners that have got parts in it that we've just taken off vehicles, or returned parts that have maybe slightly courier damaged, or somebody's ordered the wrong lights and sent them back. And because they didn't fit their vehicle for whatever reason. So these are kind of piling up and piling up. So we decided the best way to move these parts on or to sell them is to sell them seriously cheap through a WhatsApp community. So you may have already seen and you may have already joined it, but we now have a WhatsApp community, and I will put the link in the video below here. But in this WhatsApp community, you will have the opportunity to buy parts cheaper than anywhere else. Parts that have come off vehicles that we've built for show builds. So an example of some of the things we've sold a whole set of front seats from a T6.1, a brand new set the other day. We sold fridges that have come back and the doors have been damaged, and we put a new door back on them, but the boxes are damaged, so we can't sell them as brand new. We actually even sold our green Docker via the WhatsApp group earlier this morning. So plenty of opportunity to buy some really cool stuff, and also prototype bits that never actually have even made their way to a vehicle. So to join that WhatsApp group, all you need to do is click the link below. Now, we're constantly sharing lot numbers on this throughout the day. So if you see something you want, you need to be quick, because you will see how quickly, because the stuff is so cheap, how quickly stuff goes. So if you see a lot that you want, you call the office, the phone number's on the WhatsApp group, and you can buy the item there, and they'll arrange to have it all dispatched and shipped out to you. So one thing to bear in mind with this group is we're posting stuff all day. So it may be worthwhile you muting this chat unless you want to be getting the notifications come through all the time. We'll show you really simply how to do that, and then you could possibly check them through. If it doesn't matter to you and your phone can be beeping all day, great, you'll get to see them. But if you need to be just checking back at them at the end of the day and to see if there's anything there that you want to buy, then muting it might help, so you're not just getting it dinging all day in your pocket. So in the listings, when Mikey goes around and uploads these, he'll put a price and he'll put a lot number and a description on that item. If it's, for argument's sake, a spoiler that's got some damage in transit, there'll be photos of any kind of damage, so you know exactly what to expect. He'll also put details whether there's a shipping cost or whether shipping's included on that. Wheels and stuff like that, and big items we'll send by pallets. Again, we normally include those in the price. We can obviously ship anything to Europe, anything can be sent globally, and there's just an additional cost for that, but again, we can explain that to you. If you see anything you want, just call the office number quick as you possibly can, give them the lot number, and then they'll mark on that group as soon as it's sold, so nobody else rings up and tries to buy your item. So our YouTube channel is growing immensely, and we're on a mission at the minute to get the other side of 40,000 subscribers. So if you don't already, please do click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to get notifications when new videos are coming out. We're going to do a big giveaway when we get that other side of 40,000 followers. So as you may have seen in our previous videos, our channel is now changed from Transporter HQ to THQ Automotive, which means we can open it up to so much more car and automotive stuff. So in this, we'll be featuring lots more about things like the team's vehicles, or what the people that work here, like Mitch is Aston Martin on air, if you can see over there. We've got a video coming on that, and Mitch's other crazy collection of Alpinas that he's obsessed with. But if there's anything particularly you want to see on our channel, anything automotive related, please do comment below and let us know what you want to see, and we'll do our best to cover as much as we can, with the goal of trying to get 2 videos out a week from now on. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.